Today we're going to make one of these awesome models. A model of Mirai Toa, the Tokyo Olympic Games mascot. Everything you need to make this model is listed in the description. Before you start, just look over the instructions. Surprisingly, I don't do that very often, and unsurprisingly, I quite often get it wrong. Next, look at the key on the top right-hand corner of the images pages. It tells you how to fold the creases. That's really important because some of the creases need to be folded like valleys and some need to be folded as mountains. You can also see at the top that if you have an unbroken line, you're going to have to cut that section. And that's what we're going to do first. We're going to cut around the two first sections. That's section A, which is Mirai Toa's face, and section B, which is the head. After you've cut out each section, glue it like this. This is me cutting out and gluing down the face. Now I'm going to cut out section B, which is the head. Now you have sections A and B, and you're ready to start folding. So we're working on section B, and all of these folds on the head are going to be mountain folds. When you've finished creasing all of these mountain folds, you're going to start gluing. And you're going to start gluing in numerical order. It's all a little bit fiddly, to be honest, but keep going, persevere, and just beware when it comes to 13 and 16. 13 to 16, they're the tricky parts. Everyone else in my household, including my 11-year-old daughter, found this bit easy, but I found it so fiddly. Now the head is done, you're going to add the face. Do this by covering the white part of the back of the face with glue. Now cut out images C, D, E and F. Once they're cut out, start creasing the folds in C. Just be aware there are 4 valley folds here and the rest are mountain folds. And we're ready to glue, starting with number 19. And once we've got our body done, we just need to add D and E, the arms, and then finally put the head on top and the feet on the base. And there you have it, a little model of Mirai Toa, the Tokyo 2020 Olympic Games mascot.